same for walking out on us? Or am I losing touch? Too many games, now all our chips are lost. Luck was not